across the bed. She be holding her family down. A crown to her husband's head. She do her 9 to 5 and she do her home. Yeah, and she do it all is a wonder to me. Yeah, on top of her duties. She's such a beauty, she's such a beauty, they never have high. She was precious and rubies. A mother, daughter, sister, lover, teacher, best friend. She's a meek and humble, full of wisdom, virtuous woman.
Hello everyone, how are you? Today's another day, and last night I did actually get to do some more work after dinner, so that's a step in a good direction, a great direction. I get to do a little more work. I wasn't working on the patterns or anything. I was doing like some website work, cleaning, changing some things on the website, how it looks, making some updates and things like that, because it is under construction. If you were to go on it now, it says it's under construction, which it is, so it's gonna look a little different when it's ready. I'm excited about that. I want to see about doing ads on, oh my gosh, what is in my eye? Oh. I want to see about possibly doing ads on Instagram or something like that, but I don't know, we'll see. But last night I got to do some work, and I would have filmed it, but I was like, I'm just sitting here on the computer just scrolling and eating, so I'm like, I don't know if that's would be something you'd want to see or want to see often. So if it is something you want to see, just let me know in the comments. If not, let me know in the comments and be like, no, we don't care to see that, show us more of this instead, and that would be better for me so I can help you. But what I'm doing today, I want to finish this pattern. I have to finish this pattern. I have to finish these patterns. I'm getting warm. I was about to ask you guys, are you warm? I'm getting warm. Today I'm finishing this pattern. I'm finishing this pattern today, hopefully. I'm getting a late start on it. Kind of got up later, and then I kind of took my time in the bathroom this morning getting ready and stuff, so it's all right. I already feel like I need to drink some more water, and I might open this door up because it is a little warm in this room. This room gets the warmest to me during the day, so yeah, I'm warm. But I'm gonna finish this pattern, hopefully get completely done with it today. I hope you guys are liking the look, because you know, I was like, let me try something else, you know. I was like, let me try to do myself up just a little something, you know, a little something on my face, and you know, moisture on my lips. I don't have to look too homey, so I don't be trying to look homey. I just be like, look, I'm pregnant, I don't really care right now. So you get what you get. Well, I'm pregnant, but yeah, I'm trying to do something. I'm feeling a little better today. Well, lately, just in general. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this. Hopefully I don't have to redo this because the sizing on the skirt is different. If I do, that would suck, but I have to do it. So I'm gonna get to work, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, see ya. Oh, that's not the button.
That girl is a wonder. Yeah.
Gotta get credit where credit is due. House would have failed if it wasn't for you. Blessed as a king, if I'm a queen, and follow the Father, I thank him for you. Praying together, we stand together. Got colder than truth, we came in together. Whenever it felt like I'm failing, she dusted me off and get me together.
Okay. Hey y'all. So I'm back, and God, I messed up. I messed up on the bottom part where the ruffles go, and I was adding the allowance to the bottom, a 1/2 inch allowance to the bottom, and then like I realized like there was extra space when I was doing the allowance, like that hung off the side of the pattern. So this is the pattern, right? And the allowance will come here. I forgot that I had like a form of built-in allowance / ease in the skirt already when I designed it. So, and I don't know if that's a thing, but it works for this pattern for me. So don't come for me, people, you know, who do this, who do this. But it had like a piece hanging off, and I was like, how am I supposed to, it was like a 1/2 inch hanging off here, like that. I was like, how am I supposed to connect this to the rest of the skirt? And then I realized I already had a 1/2 inch built-in ease allowance in the skirt already, so I was like, and I had already drawn the lines. Like, you see these lines? I had drawn these out and everything, and then like I had to, when I realized it, I had to reposition everything. I don't have my mic in. Sorry, guys. Okay, hopefully that's better. Hey, baby, I'm gonna come get you in a minute, okay? Go back, get your hands out your mouth. Go finish watching Miss Monica, and I'll come get you, okay? They're ready for naps. Well, she is, at least. What am I saying? So I had to redraw all these lines, reposition them. I don't know if you can see the pencil marks on where I had some of these lines drawn in on. See that? That's one. This side. There's a few lines redone that I had to redo and remeasure. I don't know if you guys saw it in the time lapse part of the video, but I was pretty frustrated. I was like, I really don't want to redo this, and I tried to do it like the shortcut way. That wasn't gonna work out. Like, I started doing it the shortcut way, and I saw it wasn't gonna work, and then I was like, okay, I have to do it the right way. Let me restart. Let me erase everything, and redo it, remeasure it, everything. So did that. That took up some time. So I did that. I only got to finish the back. So tomorrow, I mean, no, not tomorrow. Today's Friday. The Sabbath is tonight, so I won't be working on anything tomorrow during the day. Most likely not working on anything tomorrow night because I'll be tired. I'll be too tired to work on anything. So maybe Sunday if I can put in some time. I feel like I already have something I'm supposed to be doing Sunday, and I just can't remember right now. So if I have time Sunday, I want to finish this pattern and be done with it so I can make this skirt and send it off. Send it off. Okay? Send it off. So yeah. But yeah, that's what I got going on. That's how far I got. I gotta redo the little triangle thing piece to make the ruffle at the bottom, unfortunately. So it is what it is, and we're moving forward and getting stuff done. Sorry, I felt my mouth getting dry. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. Another short vlog for you guys. Apologies. Normally when I do patterns, sorry, the door's open. If that's annoying, it's hot in here, like I said, so I have to have the door open. But what I was about to say, I don't know. Oh, normally when I do patterns, the vlogs are gonna be shorter and I have to combine them. So that's what I'm gonna have to do. Probably combine 2 at a time or something like that. But I will talk to you guys later. I'll see you next vlog. I'm gonna get these babies down for naps, get me some food and some more fluids, and take me a nap. And yeah, that's all, folks. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I hope you guys are having a great day, morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world. And I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Bye.
I mean, it's obvious to the whole world. Baby got class. She hold herself with modesty. I mean, it's like she walk into a room and they be like, dang, who is she?